Today is a day of celebration for the inner artist in me. A day when I reveal a little corner of my soul. As I wander through this newly refreshed space, I am reminded of the tiny, magical fairy that resides within me, always yearning to explore new forms of self-expression. Today, I've been immersed in creating GL plates, experimenting with printing using plants from our own garden. Each print is a playful reflection of my love for nature and new artistic challenges. The joy of pressing fresh leaves and flowers onto the gel plate and seeing them come to life with every print has been an exhilarating experience. Though not every print turns out exactly as planned, there's something uniquely beautiful in the imperfection. Every mark, every plant, every experiment is a new step toward discovering my creative voice. Don't fear imperfection, for it's part of the adventure. Your unique style and your willingness to experiment are the truest forms of self-expression.